it's day 2 of driving across the entire United States, visiting as many national parks and cool spots as we can with our 2 kids. And this morning we woke up in Front Royal, Virginia. Our plan is to spend the entire day in the Shenandoah Valley. We're going to drive the entirety of Skyline Drive. We're going to do a hike. We're going to do Luray Caverns. We have a very full day planned. So this hotel did have breakfast included, and we woke up this morning and went down there, and there was like 2 kinds of cereal and a little pancake machine. So the kids ate some pancakes, but then we saw on the ground was like a half-dead roach just right next to like all the food and everything. So we are on our way now to get second breakfast because me and Ryan didn't eat. The kids ate a few pancakes, but it was kind of gross in there. So the Apple House.
Okay.
So these are apple butter cinnamon donuts. $8.30 for a half dozen. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. Oh. The kids are gonna make a mess with this. They're so crumbly. Oh my gosh. That's better than the motel breakfast with the roach. It's so soft.
It's really good.
There's so much sugar on top. Oh, it's so good. Worth it. Alright, now that we're done with our breakfast, we're going to head to the entrance of Shenandoah, the entrance of Skyline Drive, and I do believe that since it's the end of March, this particular visitor center is still closed for the year. I don't think it opens for a few more weeks, but you can still get in. I think the entrance is open 24 hours a day, so we're going to go in. We'll check if the visitor center is open. If not, there's another visitor center about halfway down, maybe like mile 50 or something, and that's where we'll get our stamps for the national park. So it's not staying. I gotta fix it. We picked a great day to do this. We're not gonna see anything at any of the viewpoints.
See right behind you, but just how foggy it is behind you.
Yeah, in the window. Yeah, that's how foggy it is. Alright, we've arrived at the first viewpoint. It's so beautiful. Alright. We're not going to be able to see anything, so we're going to go straight to Luray Caverns. It is 57 minutes from the visitor center down Skyline Drive. So if it starts clearing up on the way, we'll stop and see some viewpoints, but if not, we're just going to continue to the caverns, and maybe after we visit the caverns, we'll come out and magically the skies will clear up, and then we can see the viewpoints on the rest of the drive down to Roanoke. But I don't know. What do you see?
I see water.
You see water? It's raining. So we're exiting Skyline Drive to go to Luray Caverns. All right, we've arrived at the caverns. You ready? You see the ducky?
It was a flapping.
He's quacking.
Yeah, it's so funny.
Quack.
Quack.
Push the doors.
It's a little wet.
Push it. Oh, wow. just had lunch, had some really good burgers and hot dogs, right?
My baby, oh my God.
She had like 5 bites of hot dog and Ethan ate the entire thing.
It was sick.
It was 6 bites, yeah. It is really cold today, and the kids are complaining that they're cold and we don't have hats and gloves accessible.
And both my hands are so cold.
Her hands are so cold because we ate lunch outside. So I think we may skip the hike that we were gonna do because it's still raining. I think it's starting to rain a little bit harder and it's really cold. It's low 50s right now and the kids are already complaining that they're cold. The hike, and it's windy, yeah. And the hike we're gonna do is only an hour, but if they can't even sit through half an hour at lunch outside, then I don't think it's gonna go well. So I think we're just gonna drive the rest of Skyline Drive, look at some viewpoints, and we're gonna end the day in Roanoke. Entering Shenandoah. So I guess we're really not doing that. Yeah, it's all foggy again. You can't see anything at those viewpoints.